Sky was crying like it knew my pain. Cold drops falling, whispering your name. We stood silent on that empty street, two shadows fading, afraid to speak. Your eyes were storms I couldn't outrun. Your goodbye hit harder than a loaded gun. The rain kept falling, I stayed the same, watching love wash down the drain. I said I'd be fine, but I lied again. Every road I walk still leads to them. Under the rain, I'm calling your face. Every heartbeat echoes your name. Love broke apart, but the memories stay. I'm soaked in the past, I can't walk away. The rain keeps falling, night after night. You're gone, but you live in my mind. Your laughter still sleeps in my phone. Old songs hit harder when I'm alone. Streetlights blur like my tired eyes. I chase your ghost through the pouring sky. They say time heals, but I don't believe. Some wounds just bleed every time I breathe. The world moves on, but I'm still here, drowning slowly in what we were. I tried to forget, I tried to be strong, but loving you was never wrong. Under the rain, I'm screaming your name. Thunder can't cover this burning pain. We fell apart, but my heart still stays, trapped in that last rainy day. The rain keeps falling, cold and blind. You're gone, but you live in my mind. And if I could turn back that broken hour, I'd hold you tight through the darkest shower. But love's a fire, and we were ash. A beautiful moment that couldn't last. Under the rain, I let you go, but my soul still wants you to know. If you ever miss me, look to the sky. I'm the tear falling from your eye. The rain will fade, the clouds will pour, but you'll forever live in my heart. So let it rain. If that's the only way I can feel your name again.